Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the Fugetek F5680 professional selfie stick with Bluetooth remote. Now let's open the box up and take a look at it. There we go. Man, I might need a new assistant. Jeez. Right? Yep. Oh, you be on your way, sir. All right. Here we go. Here it is. This is the rear of the package. It just tells you what it works with. The iPhone, the Android, digital cameras, GoPro, and it tells you it has the Bluetooth remote and the expandability. Okay, let's open the box. Wow, what's in there? When they stuff something in a box, they stuff it in there. Ah, there we go. Oh, jeez. They stuffed this thing in here. The parts are falling out. Right. There's the mirror. You guys can see that this is what you put on this one right here. Okay, and this is the other bracket, which is adjustable. You can see. Keep adjusting it to the height you want for your phone, because this bracket is for a phone. This bracket also is for a phone. But the way this one with the mirror is designed is that you can put your phone on here and use your camera without having to look on the camera. You can just look at the mirror and take a selfie of yourself. That's what this design is for. Then these right here are for your GoPro. This is what this little bracket's for. This is for the GoPro. Well, you can see you get a carrying case for the selfie stick. Let's get it out of this bag here. There we go. All right. And here's your little instructions manual. Gives you step-by-step directions. This is mostly for setting up Bluetooth. If you guys don't know how to set up a Bluetooth, this will tell you how to set your Bluetooth up. Okay, and how to charge it up, because you have to charge this. So you get the little USB cable to charge it. It has the port somewhere here. Where is it? Okay, now I don't see the port on here. There it is. It's right on the Bluetooth remote. right there. You plug in the USB cable to charge it. And then the remote sits right in here on the handle. And there's all your adjustment. You can do any height you want. And it's for your phone right here. The direction you want with this. And you can see, guys, it has a little mirror right here. I'm going to put on some of these brackets. But first, I'm going to do different size cameras so you guys can see. This is a smaller Canon camera. Right on here. Not a lot of weight. I'm going to tighten this down. But this is a smaller Canon camera. Now, switch it to a larger one. See how sturdy this thing really is. Okay. Let me get my larger Canon camera. Okay, guys. Now I got my larger Canon camera. It's heavy, but the stick is not bending. It's holding it just fine. This is a larger DSLR camera, as you guys can see. Has no problems holding it up, keeping the weight up. So it's very strong. It's not weak, made out of weak aluminum or anything. It's a very strong piece, guys. Now, let's take this off. I'll use one of the phone brackets. Okay, where's the... Try this one first. Alright, got that one on there. And I could put my phone right in there like this. See, now I have my phone on there. Hey guys, doing with your phone. Now, I forgot to mention, you guys, you have 360 on here, so I want to let you guys know. I don't want you guys to think it doesn't have it. It has 360. Okay? Now, switch it to the mirror bracket. To the mirror bracket, put this one on. Screw it on there like you do with all the other adapters and brackets. And this one, it's not a screwball. You have to move this up like this. Okay? All right, let me put this one on. Okay. This is the other one. And then when you're going to do, let me loosen up this 360 here. All right, here we go. Tighten it back down. And what you do, you use this mirror to take your selfie with your rear camera, and you don't have to be looking at your phone. You can just use the mirror. Okay? But that's what that's for. Okay, guys. I went through all the cameras. Only thing I didn't go through was this. It has to be charged. Pairing the Bluetooth remote. It's pretty simple. On most newer phones, all you have to do is charge this and turn on your Bluetooth, and your phone will find it on all these newer phones. So it's not that hard to do. But I went over everything else on this camera, and I hope it's helpful for you guys in the future. And as always, thank you for watching my video. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. You're in charge. Bye bye.